Small balloon decor in the house for DM's big day in some few days. Follow me as we go. I'm sure you are wondering how my balloon is standing. Yeah, let me show you the secret. So underneath, I have one balloon here filled with water. So that is giving my balloon the weight to stand. Yeah, I'll show you how I arrange the balloons for it to go in that spiral form. You get your two balloons, two whites, two blue, so any colors you are combining, two of each, and then you twist it. Such a way that one color will be in between the other, so like this. And then you fix it on your spiral, but you have to know where they follow the pattern. So this one, you see the pattern is not being followed, so you turn it again. Yeah, and then with my ribbon or fishing line or whatever thing you are using, you use it to hold them together. Yeah, so now you've added, so we'll continue this to the length that I want. So I'm doing this balloon decor for baby DM's 1 year birthday. Yeah, so we want to do the photo shoot at home. Decided to use our phone for the shoots like we did with the baby pictures. Do the decor in the house because like I joined some free WhatsApp balloon decor classes. Please, it broadens your knowledge. Yeah, so at least I've done this spiral balloon and I've done this gallant balloon. You see it's together. Yeah, so we'll hang them. With the balloon decor, I'm coming to hang my happy birthday gallant. It's my first time trying to do icing on my cake here, so we are coming to put icing on the cake. This is my whipped cream. It's the same thing as this. I just added a little color, blue color to this, a little to make it sea blue. So this is what I'm going to use to decorate my cake for the very first time. Let's dig in. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Jidu. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you now. 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 Hip hip hip. Hooray!
The birthday boy is somewhere. We are celebrating it for him. Yeah. This cake can take all your worries away.